Storytelling. Storytelling is a timeless art that transcends cultures, generations, and boundaries. It's the magic that brings words to life, transforming mere sentences into vibrant tales that capture our imagination and emotions. Whether through ancient legends around a campfire or modern blockbusters on the silver screen, stories have the power to connect us, inspire us, and shape our understanding of the world. They bridge the gap between the teller and the listener, forging bonds of empathy and shared experience. In a world filled with data and information, storytelling remains a timeless tool for human connection, one that can both entertain and enlighten, making it an invaluable treasure of our shared human heritage. At its core, storytelling is a universal language that taps into our innate human desire for narrative. From childhood bedtime stories that ignite our imagination to the gripping novels that keep us up all night, storytelling captivates us by weaving characters, conflicts, and resolutions into the fabric of our lives. It serves as a vessel for knowledge, passing down wisdom from generation to generation, and a catalyst for change, as stories inspire us to see the world through different perspectives and challenge our assumptions.